better for life. You carry egg. No, where the bone for? You carry egg like this, egg. You know me cook. Egg in there, no am a book with me. You say not going to feel better for life. You carry egg. Don't worry. When I support you, you don't do it just make do. Then return the crack.
Return, we are so bad. No, I'm married to my crack.
But so, when you did all that video, woman always return that price.
May I play this video?
Yes, first let's go, Mama. You are late.
I tell you, say, man, go they give you BP, you not give her back.
Enogie. Which bride price? Which bride price? Mama Laura one return. Bride price when witches and wizard donate for your platform. Now Mama Laura one return. Now one for now. Return bride price. Return bride price. Which bride price? You not see the marriage when you do say na witchcraft marriage. A marriage in a zero so figoji, donatiji, filoboji. Now make una no get peace. If man want marry, you see that bride price when they talk. That bride price, how much that bride price be for those state? Now 25 naira. Just ordinary 25 naira. 25 naira self na coins. I think 25 naira fit be 5 cents. If you convert 5 cents to Nigeria currency, you go be 25 naira. Now you no fee evil, say you go just enter streets, just waka like 5 seconds. Just tell you both say, please, can you give me some coins? I'm thirsty. Please, can you give me some coins to buy water? Or you will just say, okay, take. They'll give you coins for water. You all send and go house. Now for even better part. This is when they say return bride price. Return bride price. Return bride price. You know, they make sense. Because that bride price, now as they also, all those witches and wizards, when they follow now. Now they bring that bride price. Now they donate them. If you are waiting to get the witchcraft bride price, then the same Facebook, where they put the money together and gave to you, let the same people, let them come out and drag this bride price. If not, the bride price will not be refunded. Because something where witchcraft people pull hand. And at that same witchcraft people, now they go still maneuver this bride price, come out for Mama Laura family hand. Can you imagine? Oh, Jerry, bride pricing na zembio sore nye. Nukwedere muigo no kona o weche na rere. Bride price also have zembio so. You got they say return my bride price, return my bride price, return my bride price. Oh yes, they say return my bride price. Why we all winner? How he walk? Now he sweat. He just walk for a seconds. Then the sweat just drop. Then they pay him. Oh yeah, a bride price. Those are the stupid people on this social media. They are very one kind. I don't want to use a harsh word for you guys. Where they turn a bride price, a bride price, true, they exist. Bride price when witches and wizards. Now I also be my because this marriage was not planned by you guys' mind. What total planning this useless, this barbaric marriage? Look at you guys today now. You know, Emi na zerio boje rio je egbe kan okuwa. Awe genya ya paita yo era ne mi na we mewe. Genya egbe lo khone rani. Look at you guys. You guys are so, I don't know. The both of you become caricature on this social media. You become users on this social media. See that one that they say English when they speak, they say toro tree. This is my toro. I don't even know. Uneducated bitch. You guys, you are so fucking funny. Una disgrace don't too much. I don't know why the Deutschland no pack una go through world now. Look at the people when they want put children in order. Look at the people when they want raise children. Those vagabond people, these people, they say returning bride price, returning bride price. Oh, you're returning bride price. Oh, yeah, but all the bride prices where you're not returning. The bride price in Zambia so reign in social media. You have never walked one day. They will say, you walk, say, you walk just 5 cents. 25 naira. 25 naira. Now you no see. I can make them go sweat you do put now. If that money they come for your pocket, did you go kill you, Nana? Did you go just kill you? Very useless people. All these people, whether they do a shower, pay their diary.
Yes, let's go, Mama.
And now, I say, yeah, I always sometimes equal really just pity. And now, equal anywhere, a basha wolf, I money go. Can you imagine very lazy ass useless men? When this a woman go road, you go do a shower. If you do a shower finish, you go give the man go put for his head. Whether the men go they pay whether the women go they pay the maid bride price, I been at the maid they pay the women bride price. I don't even know. Una case you get as it be. Just look at them. Say as una life just be all the time. And they have kids under them. They have children under them. They are just making noise. Now so now fight now. These children, all of them, they will just constantly get the same character. You guys, una character, it go affect una children for life. Una character go to affect una children. And you know why so una character go accept una children? Because if you see Bini people always they like to marry Bini. Even if those children grow up tomorrow now, they go see Oyibo when they go marry. They don't agree marry Oyibo. They'll say they want marry Bini man. They'll say they want marry Bini man. Huh? Then later now, they'll say which one, where you want for marry? Family, all those one when they fight. Oh, wait, return bride price. Bride price when witches and wizards donate. Oh, God, you never married. When they talk of marriage, you never marry. A real man, they suffer, get money where they put for his wife's head. You no marry, no they make noise. How not day? Don't they make noise all the time? Oh, Jerry, return my bride price, return my which bride price? Witches and wizard bride price when they donate for you for air? Do you even know the meaning of bride price? Did you know the meaning of marriage? Did you know why you don't have respect for this woman? So, now because you be liability man. Now make you not get single respect. And that marriage when you they talk safe, when you they say, return my bride price. You know you see your Mama Laura talk. Oh, whoa, so good with bride price here. Because Mama Laura knew that money was not coming from your pockets. You just sit down, you know they cry. You know, give me document. Your mates now, they help us they search how they get document. The other day, you call they ask people how you want to get document after 20 years for abroad. After 20 years. I don't understand. This one, no. Where you want marry Oyibo? Where you want see Oyibo marry? We not see Oyibo marry. If you see Oyibo marry. Marry the woman said, the money and swear for the money said, no go ever get peace for this marriage. Okay, somebody, now person wey if Sagai can't send that money, can't add the money journal. Now make people say the money na witchcraft money na. That is why this woman can never respect Enogie. This woman no go feel respect, and there is no way. How? Did you know what is respect? Man when that woman house, where woman they feed. How woman want to respect her? A liability man, if you want bad armpit. If I don't get one shave armpit, Now this woman, I they bring money common for inside wallet. If you want brush, if you want change your brush, whether this one even they change brush. If you want change your brush because you change brush. Now this woman, soap, ordinary €1 salty soap when they take the bath shampoo, that they see €1 shampoo. Now this woman will still bring her come. This woman just they open wallet all the time. As it take the open wallet, now so it take the open toto. I said they open wallet, now so it take the open toto. Can you imagine? Now woman they open toto for man, and man go they open wallet for woman. That is how it's supposed to be, and that is how it work. When a woman open toto for a man go open wallet for woman. This one I they open toto, the same time I they open wallet. Hey, okay, look at this guy now, he they tell the Mama Laura say, make Mama Laura return bride price. After Mama Laura return bride price, who will come leave the house? Because if a man should ask of bride price, the same time the man is asking for bride price, that's because bride price is divorce. Yeah, when you ask for bride price, that means you are prepared to divorce. And if you divorce now, where will you go? Where will you go? I make Titanic. When Titanic sunk, one man carry a family go run meet Captain. He said, Captain, where will I go? Where will you go? And when a man divorce a woman, then the woman will pack out of the man's house. And now it's another way round. When you with Mama Laura, if you guys divorce now, who is going to pack out? Who is going outside? Is you. Where will you go? You will come ask us, where will you go? Where will I go, couple? Where will you go? You can never, the woman already talk and say, you can never make it. Because the woman, you have lived with that woman now almost how many years? Almost 5 years plus. He don't already swear for you, say, you can never make it. Yeah? You say, make it go return the course, make it go do cleansing. You don't even have a place to go now. Like, for example, now, let the woman send you out of her house. Where are you going? You are asking for divorce. The same woman that you want to divorce, you are living under the same roof with the woman. Not be juju be that. Is that not juju? How can a full grown man like this become a bedside overnight? How they do this, man? How do they do it? Is it from birth? Is it from birth? I've never seen a man like this. You don't move. You know they move. You just talk. You just talk. Yeah? No. Can I return my bride? What did they tell? The useless men when they look you, the way when you sit there useless, all those useless men when they talk. But they don't know what they want to use their life do. See as the woman can't swear for face. When they shout, if you don't drink, small start with up point finish, mix them together, you will come to shout. People say, you know they tire. They don't already drink. If you not drink just now, they know if you talk. Return bride price, come and return bride price. If the woman should return bride price now, where will you go? Where will you go? If this, the man, where do they call you? Mama Laura, they say, may you return bride price. Where will you go? You know they thought that one, oh. They thought that one. You don't get where they go. This one don't get where they go. You can't pay house rent. How? Now dog, now I use man take carry. All about house rent. Anyway, we a dodge. All about house rent. It's a pity that since when this man enter abroad, he no fit get paper and he's not doing something towards it. How will I get my paper? At the end of the day, they are talking of adulterers. You can't pull left for fire, can't pull left for road, can't come on, can't enter bush, can't come off a bush, can't enter this one. Then they talk verbally. My darling, how you day, my love? Good morning, Mandu. Which money? Money witchcraft people, all those witches and wizards. Ozwa donate go na, not dore ma Ozwa. Even Ozwa self, if papa go see Karen and say, oh, yeah, we make him. Or say, because you come go work for so place like this. Case if they pay you the money, you use and they pay your bride price. They'll come, there, you know, the way when they say they do something sometimes, I don't look there. Look at that one. He want to say, yeah, you know, if you enter my territory, see English when he speak. I all look and finish or they say this is Mugu. The word when little children they use territory. I don't see the way when they pronounce it. Now there now say those ones they being bedside. In better of a care.
You say, man go they give you BP, you not give her back. My sister, you are a fool. Let you easily.
Which BP you they give her? Let her go find life. You can never help this man. Let him go and look for a way to get documents. This man, they donate money for this man. Instead of this one to go use that money, go to do marriage for paper. What he do, he waste the money. Waste the money. Because they try for social media, say, I carry her. Now carry her. My own now 400,000. My own now 800 million. My own now 10 million naira. My own now this one. The money you will use to do documents, you waste that money. All the name you want to prove to Frank Victor say you want to do this thing. You want to tell Frank Victor say you want to do marriage. Are you really serious? See the second one, adulterous. That one when it goes spell, you really spell. They don't see him. Go the fork, throw away brazier, throw away pints, carry that lagba breast, throw away and give her to where they call her Maleke. Give her to Maleke, Shofio and finish. As you got they come they laugh, they come like quack. They laugh, they come like small pikin when to play for outside. That one comes to say, why will he do it? Why will he do this? Why will he do it? Adulterous woman. Confirm adulterous woman. Because they talk proof for this, I will full matter. And I do luxury marriage, luxurious marriage, luxury marriage. The marriage self, even the day when you do the marriage was cast. Can't be like crazy people. If you even see her, she be like say, now which when they so cloth give me the wear. Now they did the marriage. Three wear me piri. Slippers, the slippers when the costume when the woman wear, the costume be like say look, the cloth when I take they so cutting for church, now they so wear for marriage day. Because they want just to impress people. Lolo when be adulterous, Lolo when he carry prick. When you never see for your life. Can I go relax 8 hours? I get just say, yeah, that is a married man. You will be married woman with a full grown children. Lolo Piki don't already reach 20 years. And Lolo go commit adultery. Piki don't reach 20 years. Lolo first son is 20 years. How can a reasonable woman, a 20 years, a woman that have 20 years old son, he can go commit adultery. He disgrace her entire family, disgrace his son, disgrace his husband. That they'll see on social media, they know they shame, they'll see they talk. A woman that have 20 years, 20 years. His son at 20 years. Can't go commit adultery, can't just stress it down, you can't explain. Unless they explain. Now, of my mama say, make Make I explain. Excuse me. Excuse me. That one said no go if you go take care of her tuberculosis. If they do video, go they miss. If they cough, go they miss. Go they go they cough. Your ear miss, go they etta. Pum 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 pum. Now to the disgrace on herself. Those empty vessels, now they make a big noise. A woman with 20 years old son committed an adultery. Broad daylight for the presence of a woho. She no get shame. Now the one when they retire me that one, he cast on. Cast on. Now they fool themselves, they go. I don't know. I don't even know where you guys are getting to. Where now they go? Where now they say this one is stupidness? Where go carry on a rich? You know, sometimes when you are doing something, you go even think, say, why am I fooling myself? Why are they fool myself for? Like me now, somebody will say, lovely, come. Who be you now when I want to fool myself for? Lovely, come and show all this. Upon all, show.
Sorry for man, no sorry. Give man wetin man give you. If me they cry, go they cry. I wish that thing no happen now. Go say, Shebi they cry for that thing now. Shebi they cry for that one now. Shebi that one the sister they cry now. Man go your talk to you, they cry. Man go beat you, they cry. You don't go see something, do that man back. Make that man see they cry.
They know ready to be wife.
Man will they disgrace you.
You when they say somebody not ready to be wife, which husband role you they play as a husband? Men marry in Europe, they give their wife document and give their children document. You are not working, you don't have residence, you don't have permit to stay, just like you are. I don't know. These people, they are not, this is not funny. They'll say this person is so funny. This is a disgrace, total disgrace. It's like both of them, they are not coming from a good family. How can somebody go just there like this woman now? As this woman there for many years. Every year, this woman must cut rope. Every year, this woman must cut rope. The family will not go, they not go call her. They know they feel call her. They know if they feel talk to her. Okay, if family cannot talk to this woman, who this woman want to listen to? If this woman cannot listen to her family, who did you think this woman will listen to? This life, I always they talk her. This life, I say, if you want marry, both woman, both man. Both woman, both man. If you want to marry, the woman when you want marry, if you want report her to somebody, say they know they see that they report her to. You know they listen to anybody. You know they give ear. You know they listen to anybody. They don't get who they report her to. They'll say if you report her to a mama, if you report her to a papa, if you report her, no uncle, no brother. When if you call her to order, that is the most biggest mistake so far in marriage. You marry Mao, you don't get who they report the man to. The man not they respect anybody. The man not they regard anybody. If you want to report her to a mama, say, not tell mama now. Not tell mama you go tell. Not that person not there now. You not get, how can you just marry? You not get who they report your husband to. So people there, their mama and their father, they know they are alive. But if he marry, if something they happen for the house, the wife must get who he go report her to. Then the man must get who he go report his wife to. You see these two people? They don't get who they report them to. They don't get uncle. They don't get papa brother, mama brother, auntie, sister, godfather, nothing. Then how can these people, how can you guys solve these people problem? These people now swear Community supposed to they swear for them when they say they disgrace their community. This one not to bring them to peace. They don't deserve peace because at the end of the day, there has no family that you will call them for. They don't get family when you go call them for. Say, look at what these people, look at the nuisance they are committing on social media every day by day. No. God forbid. The mistake so far will destroy many marriages. A man, when you go marry a man, you know guy who you they report to. You know guy who is they listen to. Is a goner. The whole must to dissolve. You see that marriage, it must dissolve. To marry a man, you know go get who you go report to. You know get who they listen to. You know get who even they fear. You know they shame. You see me, for my family, both mama side. When you they talk of the most stubborn person for my family, my own are fear. Oh, if I express something, you know the queen know. And you cannot fight me, you go win me. You know they possible. As my family, I don't use and do video. As my family big rich. Now two people. Now they fear for my family. You know the two people when I they fear for my family, my senior brother. No report me give my senior brother. No Joe report me give you just say your senior brother. Hey, you do see I go dey sick. Even he say he no day house, I go dey sick till the day when he go come. Even he say na 1 month. That's what he go dey my head. As I stubborn rich. I will say stubbornness, You see this eyelashes so this eyelashes when they this thing, if I do something finish, they will say we'll go report you to your senior brother. You see this thing anywhere. If I dey go for road, you now see that godogbo, I go come on one put tire. Say may they forget, may they not remember tell my senior brother. He constantly get another one again. The one with senior mama, her second daughter. Hey, now that I go just a sick fever. When if I don't do so, they'll say, your sister come, we will report you to her. You don't buy me be that. You see those two people? No, if I dey zuzu, you go report me to these people. I don't already they sick. Wait for the day when they go come. It good. You must see somebody when they go say, ya, come on, go and report on to that person. He get who he they listen to. You see these two couple, they no get who they listen to. They don't listen to their mother. They don't get who they listen to. That means say these people they are not coming for a background when people say illoja. Mama, you see mama, now only one thing. Now mama go talk. I go sit down. I don't even argue mama, only one thing. Now my second name for mama na it be lovely, oh, lovely. How many times I call you? Lovely. I say, Now mama make me know this parable. Or abugbe edoye de. You will get a bed for city room. Bed where they take they relax. They inside. One mama just thought that I'll just go there, sleep will just take me. You'll be like, say, mama choose something for my body. You'll be like, say, you choose something, go just bless me. You know, say, mother, not the two men yaga for children when they stubborn. They get who they report the children for. But if my mama want made you, because my mama a very intelligent woman, he get what he want tell you. He get what he want tell you. Mama go say, oh, your wife see, if mama talk that thing, mama will say, oh, your wife see, better person picking, you know, the disgrace itself, for community. I learned a lot. When you are coming from a home, when people say, the home get background when respect day. you go get who you go they report your husband to or your wife to. You see, huh? That time, if mama they go meeting, I'll say, mama, make I escort you. When me I dey escort mama, they go. Me, I know, say, that escort, when I go escort mama, mama must see, open his bag. He must see give me money. And when I escort mama, mama will say, I know why they escort me. If they go greet mama finish, they go greet me. Oh, we mama bought your hair. They go greet me finish. They go greet mama finish. Like, mama, they'll come greet her for our language. If they greet mama finish, my uncle say, good afternoon, ma. They'll say, oh, we mama bought your hair. If they greet mama finish, they must greet me. Oh, we mama. It's good for somebody to they come for family. If you see some people say, this lovely self, the way when this lovely they do something, we don't just understand that. I'm not near piri. Me, I dey stubborn, but my stubbornness no be piri, yo. I feel tell my gang, say, we'll go fight. We feel just waka small. I will change mind. Somebody when they do something, we know they waka change mind. That person no be better person. My gang go say, don't really say, we'll go that place just now. Now, why you change mind? I'll say, we'll pass this side. You get where your anger, they carry you rich. It go mate for your belly. Then you see these people, their anger can never mate. And they will do this saga now. In 3 months time now, or 4 months time, they'll still do saga. These people, they do saga 3 times in a year. They disgrace themselves. Enogie do not have good mother. This one not get good mother. Enogie do not have good mother. Because there is no, say, they'll say, upkeep, say the way when their mother bring the come and it come worse, say, Enogie mama no be good mother to bring Enogie up. I will say Enogie mama, he bring Enogie up where? You see this nuisance when Enogie they commit with this woman, you know they commit her. One must learn how to keep quiet. One must learn how to keep quiet. 2 people cannot just date the craze they go. Even for Europe, if police want to arrest you, if not 2 police want to arrest you, one go dey friendly. The second one no go dey friendly. Even if say now 4 police now want to arrest you, 2 go dey friendly, 2 no go dey friendly. Because they not just to say make the 4 police make they just they ash. Because if 2 police ash, something must the 4 police ash, something must happen. One must calm down for one. These 2 people, no one when they calm down for inside. Because why? They do not have good upbringing. Now they worry them. They don't get good upbringing. Mama Nora, if mama no bring her up where? Now Enogie still be. The both of them, they don't have good upbringing. Children, when they get good upbringing, now once, if you say you don't do, you go here. If you tell Mama Laura say you don't do, now that time now he go be like saying you open the door for her. I understand. No, these people, no. I don't know. Because husband and wife, yeah. It's like a dog. Yeah! They did brought them up where? This is the place when somebody will say this family fade. You see how this family fade. This is the place where you see fade when family they fade. Enogie mother is a failure as a mother. This one mother is a failure. You cannot, no matter, even this is not stubbornness. This is bad upbringing. People when they stubborn, that they get who that they follow talk. Even for area self. You go see get one baba. If you read there, you go say baba, you go greet her. With why? That baba loyal to her. He loyal to that baba. That is the kind of character these people they are bringing on social media. They want to scare people away. And they are not that. It is not normal. Like me now, these people cannot scare me away. Like these kind of people, if I dare among them, if I don't feel choke one for inside. You see these people, now these people, do you know why they are doing this kind of bullshit? Now inside house, now that they do one. If now outside, now these people, they crazy like this. bottle for don't they enter their skins like say tomorrow no day. People like this, and you don't got to they follow the zuzu. If they don't they talk, go carry stick, boom, hit them for your head. That's what they deal with people like this. They're not trained them well. You see these two people, they are the most disgraced people on this head. And I think the Enogie, now be the first son. Is now be the first son. Bring when the woman bring her up. It was a very useless upbringing. I think Nora, Mama Nora also, she's a first daughter, right? And the upbringing of her, when her mother gave to her, you know, see doing well. Now disgrace. These two people, Mama, Do you know why it be like this? When you two do juju, this is waiting you they get. A Enogie mother is full of voodoo. Priceless mama is full of voodoo. They depend on voodoo. Everything at all is voodoo. They do not use their brain. Did you see the product of Ebo? You see the product of Ebo? And at the end of the day, this one is a senior for the family. The lady went then and the senior for the family. You see, they are very useless. They are useless. They are not making sense. Like this woman, when they call her Mama Laura. If I deal with this one for cry, without the new if now such I go take break his head, waka come out. Their upbringing is so disgust. They not just bring them where. You see this character where all those people they do. There is a lot of Benin people. They were not brought up that way. A lot of them, they learn this dubious character through this kind of people. They react when it's not necessary to react. When it's not necessary to react, they react on it. Why? You all see those people. A lot of Benin people learn for these people mouths. Their upbringing is a shame to the both of them, their mothers. And the same house, when children see what they do, they get 4 girls. Look at what they are doing. And all those children now, how they will get good upbringing. The father is a molesting father, and the mother is a molesting mother. How can those people give their children good upbringing? What they are doing is they learn for their children's brain. Now then, traumatize the daughter. Now this quarrel, the child become it can't become a zoo. That their daughter, it reacts like an bedside. Why? They use word to stone that little baby head. You see this word, when word too much sometimes. Now that's it, they enter the small picky head, and they enter the small picky, you can't turn brain. Children brain, they turn. Because everybody no get the same brain. Now so they take turn that girl brain, the little girl become an bedside. And they don't even think about that child. And if this noise that they make now, if they make that noise, now that child go they find where he go hide, put. And this noise now, they scare that child. And the pikin go crazy. Even if that pikin, in madness, get cure. Because why? Now waiting the papa and their mama, they put for a brain. Now these people make that girl come the craze, that little girl. Now make her come the craze. If you look that girl very well, they'll say autistic children. Autistic children, you get the way we be. You see they wear pampers, 5 years old girl, you see they wear pampers. Now there's use word to stone this girl. Too much of talk, too much of disaster, too much of bo. Now it made that small pikin lost her memory. That small pikin lost her memory. Lost her memory. And this little child still there inside, can't reach today. Even he said they're going to give that child medicine, they control herself. The medicine no go work. it no go work. Because anytime when they take give that small pikin medicine, one day, work, then they will see they stone the small pikin brain with talk. Bo, ba, bo, ba. One day, that they do saga, this small pikin go hide on that table. There, I feel pity for that little girl. Anytime when they shout, the pikin, they find where go hide. They have destroyed that child. They don't traumatize that child. That child is, person when they coma, it better pass that pikin. Person when they coma, or you can revive that person back with a lot of medical attention when they go give somebody when they trauma. You see this one, their pikin, it go hard down to function well. Because by the time they give the pikin medicine finish, because all those children when they see, so that they give the medicine, make they calm. When you go give the medicine finish, the pikin don't relax now. If papa and mama they begin to shout again. Then the pikin go the man, man, go the struggle. Why be say the pikin madness get as it be? Now because if not, if I don't even they do worst, that pikin for don't they throw away everything, go they shout, boy, go they craze, you go they use it till they eat itself, they use it till they eat his sisters. Because what did that pikin they carry? It too much for these two adults when they don't get shame. They feel, cause they talk, cause they insult, cause they make people will be scared of them. No. Now see finish. People they see now finish every day by day. See finish come too much. Yeah, Mandu. That time when they fight that Robosa. You are right. And these people, they have big problem. They don't even think of, small pikin of 5 years, see they wear pampers. See the day when the small pikin, they do birthday. I beg, man, people, man, I live on, may not get good day. Bye. Bye. Madu, one love. Bye.